Let us try nesting of for. In our previous video, we have seen how to write single for. Now we are looking for nesting of for. Please add this curly brackets, write for loop inside it. You can take another variable, say for example j, which is less than, say for example 10. Control statement j plus plus, which is j plus plus means j equal to j plus 1. Correct. Then what you are looking to print on that base, you write the statement println, and then after all this will print the statement. What if you want to give one line blank after it? So system.out.println, that is blank line after which formation is over. Save the program, go to terminal, clear the screen, write this statement. Java compiler will compile the program. If any error, then it will show the error, otherwise it will show me command prompt. Let's write Java for. What happens? It breaks the statement in like this. Okay, so we need to make one improvement. What is that improvement? Every time it is breaking the line, this is what we don't need. Again save the program, go to the Java compiler, compile, I'll clear it so properly visible. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Right, got it? So in that fashion you will see that this is the way it is writing about the nesting of the for. Hope you like the video and share to your friends and families. Have a nice day. Thank you.